Hello guys, welcome back to Gadgets Compare. In this video today we compare two best outstanding smartphones, which is Nothing Phone 2 versus Nothing Phone 3. So let's see a full comparison video. Display type, display size, resolution, multi-touch, pixel density, aspect ratio, screen to body ratio, refresh rate, screen quality, display brightness, screen protection, storage, has RAM, has memory, storage type, memory slot, body design, body weight, body dimensions, body colors, SIM slot, water resistant, back design, front design, body frame, platform, has chipset, has processor, graphic unit, operating system, main camera, main camera megapixel, main second camera, main third camera, has flash, video records, selfie camera, selfie camera megapixel, features, video records, connectivity, Wi-Fi version, Bluetooth version, GPS, NFC, Wi-Fi hotspot, FM radio, USB, battery, battery type, battery capacity, battery charging, sensors, fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, compass, proximity, heart rate, color spectrum, sound feature, loudspeaker, 3.5 mm jack. Features: 5G support. Announcement has result. Price price USD. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and make sure to subscribe Park Gadgets Compare.